This is HYPER H512R. This is a block cooling for your PC. If you do like block cooling, then that is one of the basic range. It's not too bulky, but it's okay for M4 and M5 socket. As you can see, also it does support all the latest Intel socket as well. So there is a single fan. This is not super silent, by the way, and I can see the 4 copper tube in there. So today we're going to install in a old PC, okay, and we'll see how it looks. So let's go for it and give it a try. So first of all, I'm going to open up the box, see what is included, and also I'm going to check which processor do I have. According to that one, I'm going to install it. By the way, this is compatible for Intel and AMD both. And you can see the actual nothing else. Good. So this is the actual block. As you can see here, the fan already pre-installed, and as you can see here, the 4 copper tube, those gonna transfer this temperature from the actual CPU to this radiator. As you can see, there are a lot of aluminum plates. Okay, so it's gonna go through there, and the heat gonna spread all over the radiator, and the fan actual blow the air, cool air through those radiator gap, and it's gonna cool down. Okay, so how are you gonna install it? We're gonna keep this fan facing the actual PC. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. You can put the fan other way around, otherwise it's gonna blow in the opposite direction. Okay, by the way, you can adjust it, you can take this out, and you can install either way that you want. Actually, my Intel motherboard here. Alright, so don't be confused here. As you can see, there is pre-applied thermal paste, which is new. I just applied it 20 minutes earlier, so I'm not cleaning it. But if you do have any old thermal paste that applied, you must need to clean it. You can use 99.99% rubbing alcohol to do that. So now we're going to put the bracket at the back. This bracket is adjustable, so if it doesn't go through the hole, you can adjust it, check the alignment, and then you can just put it like that. I'm going to put support with my one hand, and then I'm going to apply the block with other hand. Okay, and before you do that, make sure you take out the plastic film. If you leave it, it's going to put so much negative impact on the thermal activity, so be careful. Make sure you take out this film protector. As you can see, I applied a little bit, but it's always good to apply this sort of block by putting down the PC flat. No, keep it like that. This is much more difficult, so avoid it. Put it flat and then apply the thermal paste, and before you apply, make sure you clean it, and then slowly tighten all the screws around, and then don't forget to connect the fan connector. This is very important, because if you don't do, it might gonna run for a few hours, then it's gonna completely burn. Okay, so do that and then give it a try. Let me know in the comment section how it goes. Thank you.